single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hello everyone, my name is Bianca Marshall, President of Grown to Lead, and with me today is
Coach Stefon.
Yes, and today we are bringing to you a few updates of Grown to Lead. So we're keeping you in tune with all that's coming up for Grown to Lead. But before we do that, we must let you know that we're coming to you live from Herdmanston Lodge. And what we found out today is that Herdmanston Lodge is prepping for Mother's Day. And guess what? They have a bundle for you. Oh yeah, it's a basket. They have double and they have single, and the investment is only $4,000. So if you want to surprise your mama today, you need to run down to Herdmanston Lodge, baby, because it's only $4,000. You can have double or single, and inside have yummy treats, the traditional HL bundle, and you can get it at the curbside pickup. The number to call to get your basket today is 225-0808, extension 100. That number again, 225-0808, and the extension is 100. Mother's Day bundle happening now at Herdmanston, not now, but on Mother's Day for Herdmanston, and the investment is only $4,000, guys. So, will you surprise your mama with a basket today? You certainly should. I definitely will too.
I will too.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what's in the basket. Yummy in the tummy. Alright. Are you looking for the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one? Grown to Lead has 2 workshops coming up, and it's actually 50% off. You're getting 50% off of each mastermind, guys. You cannot ask for more than this. I will pass control to Stefon, who will tell you a little bit more of the 2 mastermind sessions that we have coming up.
The first one is the 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. This will be done in 2 sessions on the 28th of May and on the 1st of June. The second one is Everyone Communicates, Few Connect. This will be done on the 28th of May and the 4th of June.
Great, thank you very much for that, Stefon. And so, just to give you a quick review, if you're wondering what the 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth is about, think about this. People always graduate from school, and that's academic-wise. But does anybody really graduate from perfecting their self personally? If so, kudos to you. Keep on keeping on. If you're not there as yet, you need to jump on this program, because you will find out ways of how you can better yourself, and you can better understand why people are the way they are and what you need to do differently to get a different result and really 10x your personal growth. How does that sound? Sounds like it'll benefit you?
Yes.
Sounds like a good birthday gift, right? Or a wedding anniversary, or just a regular gift to give yourself because you love yourself enough to do it for you. As it relates to the second mastermind session, where we talk about Everyone Communicates, Few Connect, think about this. Have you ever been in a position whereby someone is talking and you cannot relate to nothing they're saying? So if you really want to learn how to connect, what are some of the things you need to know to really bring your point across when you speak, you actually connect with people? Jump on Everyone Communicates, Few Connect workshop. You will not regret this. You will learn so much from the John Maxwell strategies and principles of how you can improve the way you're doing things now so that you can get a better result in your workplace, in your marriage, in your relationship. It does not matter. It works for all spectrums of your life. So I cannot wait to see you guys in this workshop. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. And remember, it's 50% off. You need to grab a hold of this opportunity. Definitely contact us. What are our numbers for them to contact us, Stefon?
683-8324 and 619-1400.
That's right. And you can also check us out on Facebook at Grown to Lead, or you can follow us on Instagram at Grown to Lead. Check out our website at www.growntolead.info. We look forward to hearing from you. So what we'll do is a little Q&A, a quick Q&A impromptu style with Coach Stefon today. And the question that I have for you today, so that we can better be able to add value to our listeners, is, do you think that we are born to do a particular thing, or when we're born we're actually now trying to discover things? What are your thoughts?
I love that question. Here's what I would say to that. Yes, we're all born with the gift and the potential to do what we need to do. The only thing is we're not all given that opportunity in the environments that we may grow up in, or even life experiences. But this should not defeat you of making or of showing less of who you are. This actually brings out more of who you are and who you were meant to be. Trials, temptations, just strengthens what you were meant to do.
To provoke your mind a little bit, Stefon, what I'll ask you is a few questions just to pick your brain, and it's probably something that our listeners might find interesting too. And that is, do you think that people crumble under pressure, or that they rise and become like diamonds made under pressure? What are your thoughts?
Interesting question. I believe this actually depends on your emotional state. Depending if you're a fearful individual, you may crumble under pressure. But if you're an individual that sees an opportunity or see a circumstance as a situation to learn, a situation to grow, or a situation to develop that challenges you, you would excel in that area. You might fail, but you learn doing that.
I like that. That's interesting. I like that. So comment down below if you agree with him, and if you share a different perspective, let us know what your thoughts are. Do you think people rise under pressure, or do they crumble? Today we want to talk to you about Grown to Lead. Who is Grown to Lead? Why do we do what we do? And where are we going? Grown to Lead is a leadership-based company. We go into companies to do leadership training based on the John Maxwell Material. We do one-on-one coaching, group coaching, leadership sessions, mastermind sessions, keynote presentations, you name it, we have it done for you. In fact, if you are thinking of who you are as a person, where do you want to be, how you need to get there, you need somebody to hold you accountable, call on Grown to Lead. Are you an organization that's looking for better communication, more professionalism? Call on Grown to Lead. Are you personally feeling depressed, lonely, lost, not belong, not feeling loved, don't know what to do to press forward? Call Grown to Lead. Give us a call today on 619-1400 so you can find out how you can benefit from our one-on-one coaching sessions, probably a mastermind session, a group coaching. Let us know what's happening so we can better be able to